Hey everybody, welcome back to the Workbench here at Scale Models Midwest. As you can see, I got the fun kit built. Got the build-SJR 81 Camaro that I borrowed from the Hardee's kit right here. And I built it up kind of like a fun what if Chase Elliott drove an 81 Monte Carlo instead of a Camaro. So, as you can see, the engine's out of the car. For those of you who probably guess it already, as I was putting together the chassis, I also attached the firewall. And unfortunately, once that's all buttoned down and glued in, you can't fit the engine in. So, I'm actually going to fabricate a stand. I have it sitting there so I can display it next to the engine. No big deal. It's just a fun kit. I wanted to put this one together because I had like this set of decals. I had an extra kit sitting in my stash, and I thought, again, what if? Couple things I will say. The window glass on the 81 Camaro, in fact, on all the 81 Camaros that I've got, doesn't fit well. So I think they have addressed that in subsequent kits. I've had these in my stash for a while, but you can see right here, it doesn't fit well. And when I put it in place, I used some washi tape. Unfortunately, what happened was I put the tape just a little too close to the decal, and as you can see there, I peeled off a little bit of the number 9 from the side and from the bottom. And somehow I lost the Chase Elliott's decal on this side. I have it on this side, but I'm missing it from that side, so it happens. The side glass also was a little misshapen on the right side, and I tested it just to make sure I wasn't putting the wrong piece in, and sure enough, it's just a little misshapen. But again, it's a fun kit. Just wanted to put it together. It goes together really nicely. The interior, as you can see in the picture, I just did a flat black. I used the decal from the current generation Camaro on the dashboard. I just sanded it smooth and put that decal on, a couple of the gauges, and an Andrex Motorsport decal on there. And then of course I did the Napa on the back to where the camera could, as it's panning around to the back while it's making its way around the racetrack, see the Napa Auto Care sponsorship. So otherwise, sits level, looks really good, pretty sharp. I like it with the yellow decals for the Goodyear Eagles. I wish I'd had some decals for the front. It is what it is. The kit came with the front end of the 86 Monte Carlo, as well as headlamp pieces for that and a grill. There wasn't anything for this, and I was like, what could I use for it? Still kind of tinkering with some ideas. Might use some screen for the middle. Not sure. Then again, I might not do anything with it. And initially, I had the black decal across the top of the windshield. But again, I had that put on there with the washi tape. When I lifted the washi tape off after the windshield had dried, I pulled off the decal. That's my fault. So I just had another one of the yellow decals, and I just put it there. Again, just nice and fun. Engine went together nicely. No complaints there. It's just, I forgot in my excitement to build it, and when I went to paint the chassis as one unit, I put the firewall in place, and then the next day I looked at it and I said, the engine's not going to fit without me tearing it apart. And I didn't feel like doing that because I got another kit that I'm getting ready to work on this weekend, so have at it. Anyhow, hope you like the way the decal's set up. They actually didn't do too bad. I mean, I used Tamiya TS44 Brilliant Blue for the blue. And as you saw in my previous video, where I was masking the blue over the white, I think ultimately I did a pretty good job with that. I don't see really too many issues there. The decals that would go up here on the fender and on the A-pillar of the Camaro actually turned out pretty good with that. Like I said, when I pulled off the tape, I lost a Chase Elliott. But if you do something like this, put the Chase Elliott decal right behind the yellow and you'll be fine. All I did here on this side was I had put the Chase Celia decal up top long before I did the side decal, and I think I should just put it up over here. There's some side decals that go on the Camaro B-pillar, if you will. You could use those for this just as well. It's just a little bit narrower, but I think it works just fine. I mean, ultimately, it looks really good. I mean, I think I could definitely enjoy seeing this one running around the racetrack. I may just, you know, I've got a couple of things to touch up here. I may just put a couple of pebble streaks or marks on here to make it look like it's been race used, and just, you know, button that one up. Like I said, get a stand built for the engine and put it up on the shelf and go after the next kit. So hope you like this one. I certainly like it myself. build-SJR puts out a really good selection of kits, and they're just getting better and better. I think 5 years now in the game. So if you haven't bought a Salvino's kit, go and get one from your local hobby shop, or go become a member of build-SJR's Builder Club and check them out. I don't think you would be disappointed one bit in the kits that they've got. So with that, got another one that I'm starting to work on. I'll start showing you that tomorrow or Sunday. In the meantime, keep building the cool kits, and we will see you in the next video.